Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you why is my website not showing up on Google, and I will actually teach you how to fix that. So let's get started. So the reason why your website is not showing is maybe because you are actually not on the SEO. So you need to optimize your website in order to be search engine optimized. So to do that, just head over to marketing and SEO and head over to marketing home right here. So once you head over to your marketing home, you can see in here a checklist. So you can set up and click on go to SEO right here in order to complete the SEO checklist that they have. So from in here, you should be able to see some checklists like this one wherein you can get started on your SEO journey. So click on get started right here. And then you can just put in this business brand's or name. So for me, the business brand is Art for All. So I will just put that right here. And then from there, click on next. And then this business serves customers from physical address, or this business serves customers worldwide. So just choose where does this business serve its customers. After that, just click on next. And then from in there, you can just put in the keywords as you want to use in this site check. Like for example, let's put in art, gallery, artistry, paintings, and portrait. So let's add in 5 keywords and click on next. Then once you have done that, we should be able to see the next page in here, wherein as you can see, we have now finished this one. So you need to finish this text, which is the add homepage description for search result. So you just need to finish every step on this actual SEO setup list in order to get discovered on your actual SEO. So another thing that you can do is you need to make sure that your account is really published. So on that way, you should be able to see your Google Analytics and everything. So let's head over in here on our settings. And once we're on our settings, let's head over to our website settings. Now, once on our website settings, you can see in here, you can edit the site address, URL, and also all of these things right here, as well as the site history. So in here, you should be able to make sure that your site is published just like this and not unpublished. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know why your website is not showing on your search results. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.